Yes. Committee no so na yenhwe how to put the pieces together.
And manumia. I'm one of the very people me advocate say young two elections in them for national officers, regional officers, constituency officers. Me menya 2025.
Na come out 20.
Okay. Because see, over even national officers, national executives are. You're 10 elected officers. As I speak to you, I can tell you, say, about 8 there, almost one could be.
Kessben.
Okay.
And to be sure, I can't put 2 pay. And see, it will not make sense, say,
10
elected officers.
Yes. About 8.
And almost
one could be. Okay.
And see, it will not make sense, say, you're better trying to 2026 and sign a new officers. Then that the party will become weak.
Okay.
What you say? Because what mean that party no kwa man nipa two a omo kwa na betina say because we be on election bi no obetiada the natural.
Yeah.
And I strongly believe say yanya elections need 2025 year.
Okay.
No matter what, say be free for more, be free so yanya free. Then two opposition. You need decisive leadership.
Okay.
Say say oppositions ka say won be yeden reform be brebe koso inside the yenya officers entem say be ya ekwa be fast be my mobilization restructuring per se no they will have 2026 27 28 to plan what they call 2026 what we still 1 year no.
Okay.
What you say that is my argument say
right.
yan to nentem and the 2 year whoever becomes national chairman general secretary so they know say we know say we have leadership.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought would be one of the strong points and also so I believe in is your polling station structure. SEB.
Okay.
And can for presidential and parliamentary elections.
Any reasons? Reasons been out there.
Reason they said yeah, a quiet nipa 5. A dear before by the nipa claim na ako to aba and I'm got 2 years we nya see. Says Kasemesi Yifru. All
right.
KOD, NPP, and then Obia would TM be our former executive. No, would the had the moment I tied to remember NPP, said, we are former. KOD, party would ya crack here.
Yeah, your former. Your former.
There's a former, there. On count. Sabi solo cook, you cry young from.
Wow.
Party no we.
Wow.
And then may your campaign make
what should it be so? I don't think I will say yes, sir.
No, because if you say the only way out when you recognition or party name, and they say either you are a member of the executive committee or party need to about all voting right.
Okay. Okay.
It's a strong proposal made and they say in amendment no obi a wire party executive from polling station, electoral area, constituency. Obia should have a voting right.
Okay.
In the parliamentary and presidential primaries.
Okay.
And he said, my chairman, 092, Krana Metiasi, my secretary, my youth organizer, my performer MMDC. Can you imagine, say, constituency like Swami? And they are achievements of a former MP. Swami take a decision be on Kahumbi.
With this vast experience, that's if only now.
I see. All former members of parliament in the parliamentary and presidential premise.
Okay.
To the extent say constituency crowd there's a proposal say all former members of parliament, all former MMDCs, all former constituency chairman and secretary to be part of the constituency executive committee.
Wow.
I see a beam.
I see.
It's about polling station now. Obi a polling station executive there be or voting right. It is that issue say yakoto aba najo. Yakoto aba no pa. Emmemu bi because hey me ye police station executive me nye executive abano metubi.
Yeah.
And it's no quite alone no. Ye kasi ye fa police station but me nipa be 40 50 omu nyina wo sese.
Yeah.
Than just the 5 na wo sese.
Yeah.
Amount for make arguments so yema all card bearing members and to
yeah.
I'm not against it but I must tread cautiously.
Okay.
If you say card bearing members no bibi ame kan ho ambatawa say be a good standing be ame hye ho ame yanka say before so bet my of good standing so attend polling station meetings so we share with dues near ye blanket statement say all card bearer members be a KO debate ma kwaje card no NDC no to ebredu na ko decide obi eso be MP e wo hama
yeah
the card members no ese ye ni my proposal ne say polling station bia no in NPP form or in NDC form or it's hard time say you best start your polling station meetings
okay
say be ko Kessben club social club almost share meetings and then say ba asqa kravi NPP for a meeting days ya trouble ya banner bo every Sunday bia ye share and to ba ya register in so kayon and you trade dues bia o ka ye ko ye bia no na account te bredu say ye register na udi wom dada eno na ejigina so ya card amount
yeah
that is my proposal
okay
KO di say ye be polling station ifru na yetima card bearer members of good standing amacheche mu ka ho all former executive kan wa obaba be di say sumia by the time I be to aba parliamentary candidate no ne obe 10,000 delegates omo na ekwa to aba no eyi MP rather than nipa 800 to 700 KO nipa 10,000 with matom na wo skapa
edin pa
until be obenya nipa 15,000 as delegates obenya nipa be 10,000 5,000 until say you expand we are even before the next elections no over 10,000 votes here then that
yeah
say 10,000 votes no obi a fa nipa even 5 say me the 10,000 nipa 5 na mko hu adwuma 5 times 10,000 say 50,000
yeah
then no what bia ma adwuma no obi a de eye bi and obi a so obeto aba ni bia no so oye price so oto aba ni to o make sure say nipa na ye yi no e bebo no ho dawro
yeah
very simple
right
then osa ba bia NPP from 92 be pim samri e be pim tamambe general secretary can you imagine say party a crash for lawyer for whom ni any legal directorate
I see
ni legal directorate the only bia near a constitutional and legal affairs committee of the national council but seka your work communication directorate to her your work research directorate to her ni any legal directorate the be general secretary I insisted say as a party NPP for our corporate brand no enye first say any legal directorate and that the national council na ka wo bi akaya entokwa hey there be obada be on ba chere say senior be ye akoya nka so be say party no and I'm say how
okay
for about 2 hours all them me chame be mapa and I'm say me yanja ntuma yanko yanim nti etwa for the muya the president munjama na of legal directorate omo ojente ene say ma guy ni mako e be director of legal for NPP ewie enem no ka say members omo was a legal directorate lawyers omo agi across the country and am be 150
yeah
part of the legal directorate na me boy na reforms no me pese be can national on kwa
and
as part of constituency executive committee no there should be a legal officer or a part of the executive
okay
to all the 276 constituency no obi a be legal officer or ha or a lawyer ni or two
yeah
say be at some crazy constituency wa na afina be hwe region no na be hwe national na say yem meboa yem pe lawyer ma if say wo lawyer wo na wo the constituency wo dada
yeah
and one of the proposals na meboa ye de beba
wafa